And if problems continue, you can keep moving on from there. And the equation is as follows. If there is a problem, then find a solution, and then you move on. If there isn't a problem, then you don't need a solution. But if a problem is not solved with the first solution, then go to another solution until the problem is solved. Do not look at the wrong problem, because then the solution will not work. Such as looking towards pollution as the problem, but not looking towards the people who are allowing and continuing to make the pollution as the problem. So you can clean up the pollution today, but the pollution will reappear tomorrow, making it self-defeating. So you want to channel your energy as to pinpoint exactly where the problem is, how to fix it, and to navigate the problem if it should arise again. One can choose to not become overwhelmed or become self-defeated or fearful when problems occurs. Believe that you can handle anything that can arise and stay in the present. You are neither living in the future nor living in the past nor moving time too fast. Realize and acknowledge the situation you are in right now. And if there is a problem, find a strategy, a plan of action that is positive. And if you are continuing to knock something over, as an example, on the shelf, you may want to either remove the shelf, put the shelf in another location where you won't constantly knock it over, depending on the solution that you find most appropriate for that problem. If you believe that life has handed you a bad hand, then use that hand to your advantage. Make it work for a positive outcome. You can do a lot with very little, but do not be fooled. Negative people may try to get you to believe in the negative, so you will be defeated. It is not the facts, but your beliefs about the facts that will enable you to persevere. So believe in the positive belief that you are positive, and believe that you can achieve greatness of mind and spirit regardless of any circumstances, and that you can solve your problems. Do not create problems or make them bigger than they are. Believing in positive and positive force and positive structure with all your being and all your understanding and focus. And you can find a solution to any problem, whatever it may be. You can choose to not let fear stand in your way to addressing such problems. Keeping problems alive is how negative people work, and they try not to let problems go into solution modes. Therefore, they may block you. Many negative people create problems and bring problems to the table so they are able to divide and conquer. And many of them, when you find a solution, they'll try to create other problems to your solution to keep you in the problem. The direct outcome of a solution will work only if all people are working on a solution, if it's a greater problem, and working together to achieving an objective, and that is the key to navigating a society in which we understand that problems are solvable, and it creates a better society as opposed to individuals that only want to wreak havoc and create this negative form of understanding and energy in order to have more of an ability to to covet what's everyone else's. So in every society around the world, you see the people, the haves and the have-nots, who are all using the same principles. This is the end of this chapter. Please follow the next section for the continuation of problems and solutions. Thank you.